Okay, in first video we have created this. Now in second video we'll see more shortcuts. Now see, for example, I want to create more TDs in this table. So what I will do, I will create table inside the TR, and inside that I have a TD. But how many TDs? If you know 3 I need, so I just put 3 and I type. So one table will be created where we have a 3 TDs. Now more tables you want to create, say for example, so I'll create something like this. That is, say for example, table inside that TD, sorry TR, then TD, and into 3. This is one table and I need 2 tables like this. So I just create this way. So this will create one table for me like this, and this is my first table and this is my second table. So this way, with the help of these shortcuts, we can do so many things very faster and we can create our HTML coding very fast. Thank you.